Okay, what is your story?
I always loved bands like Queen and the Beatles.
Mhm.
But lately,
Mhm.
I've been listening to Oasis.
What? Listening to what?
Listening to all of Oasis.
Oasis.
Yes,
Okay.
they are British band, and I was so happy
Mhm.
when they got back together in 2024 after breaking up in 2009.
Okay.
I like almost all of their songs, but my fa- fa- favorite is Don't Look Back in Anger. I listen to other bands too, and I really hope I get to see Oasis in concert someday.
Okay.